Playbooks. Inside Bob, the business operating brain, this is how individual skills chain together into a finished outcome. A skill does one step well. But most real work is not one step, it is a sequence toward an outcome. A playbook is that sequence, it chains the right skills together to reach a finished result. A playbook is a recipe. It names the ordered steps, each one a skill, that take you from a starting point to a defined outcome, so the same work runs the same reliable way every single time. Take a real one. The proposal from a meeting playbook captures the meeting notes, pulls the client's context, drafts the proposal, runs a quality check, and lands it ready to send. 5 skills, chained into one outcome you actually wanted. When you run a playbook, it does not just fire and vanish, it becomes a tracked task. Each step is marked done as it completes, the current step is clear, and the remaining steps are always visible. Run it, and it tracks itself. Automation does not mean loss of control. Whenever a playbook is about to do something that reaches the outside world, send an email, publish a post, message a client, it pauses for your explicit approval. Nothing leaves the building without a human yes. Playbooks sit right in the middle of the system. Below them, a single skill is one step. Above them, a value chain is the whole business journey. The playbook is the recipe in between, the unit that turns loose skills into a repeatable outcome. Because playbooks are named by outcome, you can simply ask for the result. Launch a product. Close the books. Qualify these leads. You say the outcome in plain language, and the playbook runs the underlying steps in order. 2 honest notes. Playbooks are curated, versioned recipes, not ad hoc improvisation each run. And the steps that reach the outside world deliberately stop for a human. That pause is by design, not a gap. Repeatable, but never unattended where it counts. This is what a pile of AI tools cannot do. A tool gives you one step and leaves you to wire the rest by hand. A playbook puts the whole outcome on rails, the right skills, in the right order, with a human check where it counts, run the same way every time. If you keep just one idea, a skill is a step, but a playbook is the whole outcome. Run it and it tracks itself, and a human gate guards anything that leaves the building. Ask for the outcome, and let the recipe run. For reference, how the gates decide. If a step only sends search terms outside, it runs freely. If it includes your own business context, a human check is recommended. And if it publishes to a live channel or messages a client, a human gate is required, always. The riskier the reach, the firmer the stop. And the full life cycle, simply. You pick the outcome, the playbook runs the steps, progress is tracked as it goes, and it finishes with a record of what happened. Every run leaves an auditable trail, so a repeatable outcome is also an accountable one.